Okay, so you get the warning on your dash saying key fob low battery or such. This job couldn't be easier. You will see a little button there. Press in and pull out the emergency key, which goes under the door handle if you ever need it. If you look inside the key, you'll see a little tab here. Press and the back pops off, revealing the CR2450 battery. A plastic pry tool would probably be preferable for removal. Remove the battery. Put in your new battery. Cover slides down in. Pops into place. And you return the emergency key, which clicks. And you're done. Thanks very much for watching.